video, we're going to use DaVinci Resolve to cut a video and export a new video file. So I'm going to open up DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to wait a few seconds for it to launch. And then I'm going to create a new project. So Hacker movie, say cut. I'm going to create a new project, and then I'm going to go here and import a video file. So right click, import media. I already have an MP4 video file. I'm going to open it. I'm going to choose chains in order to change the frame rate of the project according to the video file I'm importing. And then after a while, I will see my media file here. Now I will go down here and go to the edit panel, and I'm going to drag and drop the file right here in the editing area. I'm going to wait for a few seconds for the video to load. And now I'm going to make sure that I have the full extent zoom selected, and I'm going to find the part of the video that I want to change. So here's a part that I want to cut. So I'm going to use the right arrow to just go exactly to the frame I want to start doing the first cut. So right there, here, when this part of the video that shows the code series scene, and I'm going to select this tool, the blade edit mode. So either press B or click this. Then I'm going to go here. The tool will snap in this the point of the position of the cursor. Press the click. Then I'm going to move forward to where this part of the video ends. So at some point here, I'm going to still use the right arrow to go to the last frame. Right here, I still have the blade tool, so I'm going to click, and now I'm going to select the selection mode tool with pressing A or just clicking here. And I'm going to select the last part, press delete, and then select the first part, press delete. And now I have just this section where the scene from the code series is explained. So I have this. I can just preview, of course, the video. Sorry, going from here. And once I know I'm ready, I can export this video. So I can go to File, Export, or Quick Export. And then I'm going to select a format for the export. So you can, of course, customize this, but I'm going to select YouTube and export the video. I'm going to go to a folder here, let's say cut, and select save. After a few seconds, and depending on how fast your machine is, you're going to see like the video being exported and in a new file. So now it's finished. I will press close, then go back to my Finder, and I will see this version that's just contains the part of the video that I want, and also in the resolution that I want. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.